Hello everyone and welcome to my first ever giveaway video. It has been little over 2 months since I've started my channel. My first video was on the 17th of January and I've reached 500 subscribers yesterday, and I am so happy and so thankful for everyone that has followed me along in these past 2 months. So I thought it'd be nice to do a 500 sub giveaway. It's going to be 3 prizes, and there will be a drawing next week, and then I will be giving away some prizes. But before I get into the details, I want to thank everyone that has subscribed so far. And I want to thank everyone for the lovely comments, because there's been loads of comments and all the likes and all the sharing and all the support. And to the people that have worked with me, yeah, thank you all for everything. It really is, how do you say it? It's really encouraging to keep going. I started this channel with the thought about, okay, I might do a few videos just to show how I made the lab book, and that will be it. But yeah, I was very insecure in the beginning as well, but I must say that I really enjoy making the videos, and I hope you guys will keep enjoying them as well. But yeah, so for now, thank you all for the first 500 subs. And I hope many more to come, obviously. But let's get into the giveaway. As you guys know, I work a lot with Natalie from LineDotArrow, and because I'm literally going on holiday next week, or a little over a week, so it's very hard to arrange a physical giveaway. So she said, well, you can give away some of my kits if you want for the 500, and that was lovely. So Natalie graciously donated a few kits to me that I can give away. I actually already had the kits because I've worked with these. So I already have the files, and but I cannot give them away as freebies, obviously, because they're not mine. So I will do a winner's drawing, and there will be 3 winners. The first prize will be the entire collection of the Grunge Journal kits. These are 6 kits, and they will be given in one set to the first prize winner. So it's the Grunge Journal kit, which has 22 pages. Then there is the Grunge Background Papers, which has 30 pages. Then we have the Grunge Collage pages with 22 pages. Then there is the Grunge Paperback, also 33 pages. And the Grunge Ephemera pack. And it does not say how many pages are in here, but all these kits will be your first prize. And then for the second and third prize, the second prize can pick 2 kits out of everything that I'm going to show you, and the third prize can choose 1. Some of you might already have the Grunge kits because it's a recent kit. These came out 2 months ago. So for those that already have these, I thought it'd be nice to give away 1 kit or 2 kits that I've used in my nature lab book, which is Natural Findings and Vintage Book Pages. I haven't used all of these in my kits, but I've used a few papers here and there. Like I can already... this one, and I believe there was another one that I've used. I've used some of those images in my nature book, and here as well there were also papers in here that I've used. So I thought these would be nice as well. So I'm giving away stuff that I've used myself because that was important to me as well. So yeah, these will be the prizes. The complete Grunge paper pack, first prize. And for the second prize, 2 kits of the ones that I've showed you. And for the third prize, 1 kit. So yeah, that's very exciting, but I thought I'd show you what I made with the grunge papers, because it's a very large project and I thought it'd be nice to give that away as well, but not now straight away because I'm going on holiday and it will be difficult to do that. So I'm going to give this away when I reach 1K. So this is made with all the grunge papers, and I'm going to do a quick flip through. I'm also going to post a playlist down below because I have made my first ever videos were this project. So I thought that is also a bit like a it's all firsts for me. It's my first giveaway. It's my first collaboration. It was my first design team project, stuff like that. So this is very close to my heart. And I thought this would be a great gift for a 1K giveaway. So yeah, let's do a quick flip through. I love the front. I still love this. Yeah, it's so cool. And then we have some, it's basically an ephemera holder with a small journal. Just going to do a quick flip through. Not everything is backed, but you can do that yourself as well if you want. These are all tags. There's loads. And I like the angled pockets here. All right. And then we have the belly band. I really like this. I love these. I made loads of these also before I started doing YouTube. There's one in my Christmas journal and in my fall journal as well. So yeah, this is a little notebook made with vintage papers. So the idea was that this could be a mini journal and you could use everything in the entire folio to decorate the actual journal with. That was the idea. And then if you open it up here, there will be tiny stuff left over from the kit. All fussy cuts. And obviously this is a large space. You can also put in your own ephemera in here. Like photos or receipts or whatever you want. And then on this side, this is my favorite part, I think, of the project. Oh, I'm sorry. Ooh. There's another folio. And this is made of envelopes. And there's a large journal card or tag here. And I love this. This is so cute. Ugh. And this is all made with the grunge kits. Everything. The only things that I used that were not in the kits are my sewing machine, some lace, threads, like, yeah, obviously the metal and such. But other than that, oh, I need to replace this one. This one is a bit, wait. Okay, it works. And some stamps maybe. But all the stuff, like the papers, is all from the kit. Then we have some tickets here. And some other pieces of ephemera. In the back. And then this is a ephemera folder, which is also full with goodies that are left over from the kit. And of course, there's even more room to store your own stuff. And then it closes up like this. So this will be the prize for the 1K giveaway, sort of like a teaser, I guess. Oh. So yeah, that's all the information about the giveaway. Now the giveaway will last until the 31st of March, which is next week Sunday. And on Sunday, I will do the winner's drawing. What you need to do is you need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. You need to like the video, this video, the giveaway video, and you need to comment. And that way I can put all the names from everyone that is participating, and then I can do a sort of like a Wheel of Fortune type of thing, I guess. I will put in all the names, and then you will it will be randomized, so there will be a random winner, and everyone can only enter once. I think that will be most fair. So you need to do those 3 things, and then you will be put into the name picker wheel. So yeah, I think that will be it. It will maybe take a while before I will be able to send out the digitals. I hope that you respond once you have seen that you win. I hope you will respond on Monday or Tuesday, because I'm going on holiday on Wednesday and I won't be back until the next week. And after one day, I leave again for another week of holiday. So I'm going to be home for just one day. So please keep that in mind. I will try to put the files on my iCloud. Maybe then I can send them while I'm away. I will see how that will go. But otherwise, I will send them out once I am back from holiday. So please keep that in mind, because yeah, it's I'm going to be away for 2 full weeks, basically. So that was it. I hope you are excited. I am. And yeah, so don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Or share is optional, obviously. It will help me though, but so thank you if you do. But yeah, do like, subscribe, and comment on the video to win these lovely kits. And if we reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away this to one lucky winner. So yeah, that's it for this short video. I hope you will enjoy the prizes, and I will see you in the next video, which will be up soon as well. Okay, have a nice day. Bye.